Today I'll be walking you through the roommate matching process. At the top of the roommate matching page is your profile. This will include your gender in the system, your classification, as well as your community. Now, there are two options to find your roommate. You can find a specific roommate utilizing their AUID, their MyAU username, or their screen name that they created here in the housing portal. Our office recommends utilizing their AUID to make sure that there's no spelling errors. Once you find the person that you're looking for, you'll see some basic information about them as well as their percent match in the system. And from there, you can also view their full profile. Their profile features some more information about them as well as the responses to those lifestyle questions prompted in the first part of the application. And here you can decide if any of the responses mirror or are different than yours. You can also go and you can see the suggested roommates. So these are students that match all three of the criteria that you have and will provide you that same basic information as well as the percentage match. From there, you can send that student a message through the system and coordinate if you want to become a roommate group. And then you can also invite them to your roommate group. Once you find the person for your roommate group, you'll be able to scroll down and see the group information here. Up at the top, you can edit the group and make a fun name for yourself. It can be kind of whatever you want. And you can also kind of continue to send that person a message or view their profile. If you want to expand your group, you can search for another specific roommate or those suggested roommates and continue to add people to your group up to 4 people.